Hi, everybody. Miss Bennett and I are going on a tour of the school because there's no kids here. Let's see what everybody's doing. Here's the second grade hall. Let's see if Miss Parcell is in her room. She's down here. There's her bulletin board. Oh, there's Miss Macbeth. Say hi, Miss Macbeth.
Hello.
There's no kids, but we're staying busy. Here's Miss Parcell.
Hi, miss you all.
There's Miss Ford. There's Miss Kirkland. Hi, kids.
Hi.
We're going on a tour of the school.
That's funny. Me.
And here we go down the hall. See, look, there's no kids. There's no sound. We miss you guys. They're redoing the computer lab carpet. So the computer lab is now empty, but Miss Nadell might be in her room. I don't see her. Say hi, Miss Nadell. She's going home for lunch and she'll be back to put more packets together. Come get them.
Are you guys doing a virtual tour?
We are.
It's a field trip.
Here's third grade hall. I think they're all working from home and doing their social distancing. Yep, third grade is all adhering to the social distancing. Bye, Miss Nadell. We'll see you later.
Hasta luego.
The lunchroom is dark and empty. Miss Fillion is working from home. Fourth grade is mostly working, but I know Miss White is here. Here's the library. All so quiet. Look at all those books that are longing to be read. Hopefully soon. And Miss White, I think, was in her room. Hi, Miss White.
Hi.
We're taking a tour for the kids.
Oh, hi, kids. I'm just about to start a GimKit game, so if anybody wants to join, the code is 29811.
All right, we'll get on that.
Take down the fourth graders, guys.
Bye. And heading towards first grade. No. I know Mr. DuPay's somewhere around here, so we'll go find Mr. DuPay. And Miss Midgley is here. Hi, Mr. DuPay.
Hello.
Say hi to the kids.
Hi, kids. How are you? We miss you.
We're taking a
Can't wait
virtual
till you
tour.
come back.
Okay, hopefully soon. Hard at work. And Miss Midgley, I think, is out copying things, so we'll find her.
She's right here.
Oh. Miss Midgley is here.
I'll knock.
Hi, Miss Midgley. Do you want to say hi to the kids? We're taking a field trip around the sad, empty school.
Oh, it's not there anymore. Oh, no. There we are. Hi. Hello. I miss you all so much.
Hopefully see you soon.
Hopefully. Yay.
Now we'll head down to the office to where Mr. Westwood is probably behind his desk and hard at work. Woohoo! Oh, Miss Olson's here. Say hi, Miss Olson, to the kids that you're hard at work getting their packets together. We'll see you soon. Come pick them up when she emails you. Hi, Miss Fulmer. Still in her headband. There's no kids in the hall. Okay, we're gonna go see if Mr. Westwood is here as Miss Bennett runs into the garbage can.
So no toilet paper on the shelves, but my dad husband did.
We'll come back to Mr. Westwood another time. He's on the phone.
Say hi to Kim.
Say hi to the office ladies. All right, kids. We're going to go through the halls really fast because there's nobody in our way. And we'll get back to you another time with another video. Okay, Mr. Westwood is ready for us to chat with him. So we are going to go into his office. Hello, Mr. Westwood. We are making a video.
Oh,
So this is for all the kids. We've gone through all the school of seeing who's here and wanting those to talk to us if we want to.
Well, I'll tell you what, this is a dumb job without you guys. I miss you like crazy. Looking forward to a little Foursquare, maybe a little soccer. Just so y'all know, I've ordered some soccer goals, and they should be here before you get back. So that's going to be kind of fun. Lots of things, good things to look forward to. Can't wait to see y'all again. Maybe some stories, high fives. Well, maybe high elbows. Catch you later.
Okay, we will do another video soon for you children. Have a great day, kids.